Hey guys, Ryan coming to you from the TST garage once again with this gorgeous Yamaha XSR900 beside me. Today we're going to be performing a very quick installation of some Womet-Tech bar end crash protectors for this motorcycle. The process is really straightforward, really easy. It's going to involve these components from Womet-Tech, our actual component, the delrin slider portion of it, and then a bolt that actually attaches the two together. Without any further ado, guys, we're going to jump straight into it. So I'm going to go ahead and start this process by grabbing an M8 Allen key. I'm going to break that bar end loose. Probably just thread it out by hand. All right. Our next step is to take the actual adapter. We're going to hand thread that in, making sure not to cross thread anything here. Then we're going to take a big old 23mm socket. We're going to tighten that guy back down. Now, if you do want, you can include a little bit of blue Loctite on that feature when you put that in, just to make sure that those aren't going to go anywhere. Your handlebars do experience a large amount of vibrations, so that is something to keep in mind. We're going to take the delrin portion of this bar end. We're actually going to take the bolt that's included, throw that through there, take the open end, place it over that hex head. Again, hand threading, making sure we're not cross threading. Bottomed out, give it a good turn and a half, get that bolt biting down into that delrin. Now we're going to go ahead and repeat this process exactly the same on the left bar end. All right, guys, so with our left side and right side bar ends installed and tightened down, this installation is actually complete. I have one more step that I like to take just as a precautionary step. I like to give my throttle a nice twist and just make sure that it snaps back into the closed position. Throttle that gets stuck open is a very dangerous situation and not one that you want to find yourself in. Now, although you saw me install these in black anodized, they do come in multiple colors. We just thought that the black anodized would actually look the best on this here XSR900. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We are constantly coming out with new content just like this, so definitely be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you do want to pick up this bar end or any of the other crash protection that you can see on this XSR beside me, go ahead and check out our website at tstindustries.com. Until next time, guys, stay safe, get out there and ride.